What's going on? Welcome to the newest installment here on the DMT Infinity. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a like and subscribe to DMT Infinity if you haven't already. Let's get right into the video, motherfuckers.
What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the newest installment here on DMT Infinity. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a Magic the Gathering starter kit so you guys can see what comes in it. I have not read the back of it. I've barely looked at the cards. I've not read the descriptions, these two here on the front. I want this unboxing video to be as genuine as possible, so let's get right into it.
DMT Infinity. He's gonna fucking train your brain.
Shout out to DMT Infinity.
This is a collaboration with DMT Infinity.
DMT Infinity.
DMT Infinity.
DMT Infinity, you crazy motherfucker. This is our local astronaut. DMT Infinity is our local astronaut. You know, right now, NASA has a couple guys in space, and who cares what they're doing because DMT Infinity is the real astronaut. This boy is steady blasting off, if you know what I'm saying.
DMT Infinity.
DMT Infinity.
DMT Infinity.
DMT Infinity.
DMT Infinity.
DMT Infinity. 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 Infinity.
So first we're going to take a look at Kogla the Titan Ape. Oh wow, this card is insane. This card is called Pure Into the Abyss. It requires 4 random mana and 3 black mana. It is a sorcery card. Target player draws cards equal to half the number of cards in their library and loses half their life. Round up each time. So I do hope that you all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, leave it a like. Subscribe to DMT Infinity if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification button to be notified each and every single time that I upload a brand new video or do a live stream. But as always, I'm your host DMT Infinity, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.